It's good. Friends and neighbors. This is your R plus trading. And am I on mute? Am I? Okay, I'm not. Hi. Long time no see, yeah? It has been almost whole week. It's uh, yes, it's Saturday today, and we had bank holiday on Monday, so I wasn't even at the chart. And on Tuesday also, cause I saw, you know, after bank holiday we're gonna, take a day off and let all the, kind of like settle down, all the orders resting, like because the regular trading hour is not on, right? And yes, I skipped Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday was on the chart, but the day was absolutely shit. I got nothing out of it. I yes, so Thursday, yeah, and this is my very first trade of the week, and it's a win. That's great. Um, yeah, let me break it down for you real quick. So, uh, higher time frame, yeah. Let's start with 1 hour. Boom. Wait, I want to use this one. You know what? Let me just pull out the third one. Yeah. 1 hour. Very nice. Cancel this, just a clean chart. Boom. 1 hour. I am looking at this low. On NQ, I'm looking at this low. Yeah. Why? Because it's a six sister low. So we'll have this low open on NQ, right? Now you look on the S, the same low, yeah, got taken out. The same low got taken out. NQ is the only one have left this low open, and also very interesting because you see how like this is normally the way how I approach Six Sister, because you need to understand SMT or even Six Sister. There's in the market all the time, but you need to know like which one's for you, and like brother, I will probably find some Six Sister on some weird low on a fucking monthly chart. But I mean, bro, I'm trading on the 1 minute or even the 15-second chart. It don't really like affect it, like you know what I'm saying. So you need to know what like to look for, and very important thing is that you don't trade based on Six Sister. Um, Six Sister, SMT, all that. It should be a bonus point for your setup, and you don't just take a trade when you see SMT. Like that's don't do it. And very important in this, one way to, let's say, qualify the Six Sister is, the idea behind Six Sister is that um, a low or high got taken out on the other two of the three, and it's like showing because YM, NQ, and ES, they're so close to each other, so technically they should move the same. Not by saying every 1 minute candle should be green through the all three. No, but they should be like in a on a like the same environment. Let's say environment. So if they make a higher high, they should all make a higher high. If they make a lower low, they should all make a lower low. That's the idea behind it. And the way to qualify if this six sister is gonna work or not, obviously besides all your high time bias and all that, right? The very important thing is six sister is basically showing us where the right direction is for the market. And you need to understand, let's say in this case, NQ did not take out the low for a reason. Okay? You want to see it reprice to a premium or a discount. And it's going to be more than on other assets, right? So in this case, let's say, wait, let me show you here. I used this price leg. No, sorry, not this one. I used this price leg. Wait. No, should be this one. Yeah, yes, I used this one. And you can see why, because basically we all chop around here and the bank holiday and all that, and we runs up. This range should be balanced, right? It also indeed holds the price, and you can call this balanced price range and mitigation block, but most importantly the new wick opening gap, right? And it drops down. Okay, but we did not take out the low. And now if we put a fib on it, you can see we repriced to a premium and then started dropping. Okay, for the intraday, this is the you can see the magic magnet button, the magic magnet emoji. Like you put the magnet there and the prices goes to where the magnet is. Like that's, I basically explain how magnet works. But okay, this will be the intraday bread and butter drawn liquidity. And also you can see it's kind of consolidating right here. Why? Because it's the, let's say, the failure swing to this low, and this is the intraday low. So this is 0, right? So for today, before all this was the low of the day, the lowest low. And also this is London, I believe, sell side liquidity. I always mixed up buy side and sell side liquidity. This should be a sell side liquidity. And yes, that's time-based liquidities, you know, very important. Time-based is good stuff, yeah. However, this is the idea behind it. And also, if the same fib, if I put it on, let's say ES, you can see maybe like to the tick, but you get the idea. The six sister one should run more to like deeper to the previous PD array to reprice more, so it can send the price off again. Like that's the idea behind it. Okay, and yes, let me go to the trade. So with that an idea in mind, I was using this as my drawn liquidity, right? And also this is the six sister low, right? Everything's on the chart. Now let's look at the trade I took. I took this one, this sell, and with a very small lot size. I only traded one micro. I could risk more. I considered maybe 2 or 3, but I was like, you know what, the whole market was pretty shit this week, and we are in a risk on condition, so you can see NQ is dropping, right? And DXY is also dropping. I mean today. Yeah, the 6 sister low is gonna be reached. Yes. Ta-da, the 6 sister low. So I was like, you know what? It's not, in my opinion, a pretty high probability day. So I'm gonna just risk small, and if I get it, I get it. If not, I won't lose sleep over it. And yes, some bread and butter setup. It's not that obvious here because we have this buy side liquidity. Take that out and break or get measuring gap on the, I believe, 30-second chart. But the little issue here is that we did not run this high. It will be much better if we run this high. Ideally, the manipulation should be like pretty clean and not be a failure run like this. But I still took it. Why? Because so for that, you don't get confused. Let's look at the time. This is 948, okay? And this is the high. 948. And now let's go look at ES. Where's 948? 948 is here. You see this high got ran. So we have a 6 sister on the high. If we have a 6 sister and everything else is basically lining up, you know, I will let it slide. And in my opinion, in my experience, 6 sister work just fine as normal. And where is it? Here, boom, buy side liquidity, right? Around there, and SMT here on the high, and I think also even on the here, you see also here again. So before the drop we have a higher high before the drop, right? This is an ES, and now look at NQ. We don't have that. We have 2 SMT, and that is also pretty good. And not, as I said, you should not take a trade based on SMT, but it's definitely kind of giving you a tip. But it still have to be lining up with the other stuff. And now break-even gap, measuring gap, right? Very classic, and also very good sign that we with sharp turn, strong reverse, and took out the swing low. Boom, entry, stop loss. To be honest, I was kind of greedy because I was only aiming for this low. It was, oh, sorry, I touched the mic. Yes, 40 points, not bad. And I think I got out at 2 standard deviation, or yeah, 2 standard deviation it is. I should got out at this low. Why? because you can see how the price is kind of, how do I say this, like rejecting. I don't know if you get idea, but you see how the price is kind of having all this long. I don't want to get too much into the reading candle stuff, but you get idea how it's forming all these long wicks and not closing below it. Like you see, after this long wick, I should have closed it, but I was kind of greedy. I was aiming for this low or even the six sister low, and I was like, you know what? It has dropped so fast, so much, and I'm kind of like I'm in profit already so much, and at this point I can afford to take a like smaller wing at this point, and if the drop is gonna continue, it's gonna be massive, right? That was kind of the idea behind it. I got stopped out in profit at the high. It was still decent. It was like 35 points. I can't complain about it. And yes, that's basically it. Obviously, I was calling the low and the London low and the six sister low, but I did not take another trade. And first of all, it's kind of like my personal thing till this point at least, that I perform the best if I just walk away after a win. It's a personal thing. If you can handle it, you can handle it. Do whatever you like. But for me, it's better if I walk away after a win. And you can also see, remember it was risk on today, right? That's not good. And also you can see how all this price action, it's kind of, it's like showing we have this high pressure because it's risk on with the XY. We have this high resistance. Like the price is not moving that smooth. You know what I'm saying? Because I mean, I guess I could have maybe like swing a trade like here, right? Repriced it, break a gap, measuring gap, and a nice drop. Like this looks like a nice one standard deviation. Yeah, one standard deviation. But I mean, a win is a win. I can't complain. And with the win today, it brings my balance to 400 in profit. And at this point, I'm gonna say I'm pretty confident that first of all, I'm happy, right? It's not much for a 150 account, I know, but it's kind of, as I mentioned many times, kind of a mental thing for me. I don't like being in drawdown, and we have 400 profit now, so we can kind of risk a little bit more. Yes, we have this buffer, and even if I hit the loss, it won't be that bad. So that's basically it for today, and hope y'all had a good trading week. Didn't hurt yourself in those bad market conditions. Yeah, I always say that. Anyway, that's it for today. Good luck and good trading, guys.
Wait a minute, the way you move that body, got my heart all in it, and I just wanna be with you tonight. Boy, please, I'm a player, yeah, it's true, but I changed the game for you.
Radio Scene got it.
Can I be for real? This is how I feel. I didn't need a love, still that I need. Oh, you're just my everything's so mine. I just wanna feel, still that I need. I'll admit it, this just ain't no game, these just ain't words.